Dear students, in the last section we have seen what is risk, what is vulnerabilities, what is threats, identification of risk. Today in this section we will see measuring of risk. So this is the diagram of measuring of risk. In the identification of risk we have identified vulnerabilities, threats, we have seen the existing countermeasures. For measuring of the risk, as we know, risk can never be completely removed, but we have to manage that risk. So here how we manage that risk? For that, the cost of successful exploitation is measured to the organization. Okay, so this is the diagram of measuring of risk. So the measurement of risk may be in terms of money and time, that we will see one by one. First is measuring of risk in terms of money. So the most obvious way to measure the risk is the amount of money. The cost can include the lost productivity, then stolen equipment or money, cost of an investigation, cost to repair or replace the system, cost of experts to assist employees over time. So this is the measuring of the risk in terms of money. Then time. So time is a measurement that is difficult to quantify. Time is very important. So it may be include the time of the technical staff member that is unavailable to perform the normal task due to security event. But what about the time that other staff may be waiting for their computers to be fixed? How can this time be accounted for? So time may also mean the downtime of a key system. If an organization website is compromised, the system should be taken offline and rebuilt. So it requires a lot of time to rebuild it. Then resources. So resources can be people, it can be a system, it can be a communication lines, application or access. So if an attack is successful, how many resources will have to be deployed to correct the situation? Okay, so the monetary cost of using a resource to correct a situation can be computed. So the resources may be a people, system and communication lines. So it requires the major resources to complete that task again. Reputations. The loss or degradation of an organization reputation is a critical cost. So reputation is the most important thing of the organization. It is also called as the trust of the people on the organization. The measurement of such loss is very difficult. The reputation can be considered equivalent to the trust. This is the trust that general public puts on the organization. For example, the reputation of a bank equates to the trust that the public will place in this money or gold in the banks. So if the money and the gold is accessed by another person, then the reputation of that bank is lost. Then lost business. Obviously because of this risk we can lost our business. Okay, so these are the measurement of the risk in terms of money, time, resources and reputation. Thank you.